Alright. This is our new channel. Making a new channel and stuff. The banana Lego crap. And we're going to review Lego sets.
And then we're going to have small sets too.
See that crap? You Steven too. We're not gonna show his face right now.
Show his face right now.
Yeah, we're not gonna show his face. So
yeah, he doesn't.
Not mine either. So this is the Legos everywhere, all over the table.
Please, kids, do not try building at home. It is very dangerous. Cause sometimes Devin throws stuff in my face, and this is our Lego commentary, man. You gotta appreciate it.
We might do vlogs or something, and whatever. And subscribe.
But by the way, we have a lot more. So if you think we do not have a lot, we have a lot more than ordinary kids. So this is all the stuff. No matter the size, no matter what, we review it. Custom made, anything, we do it. You understand? Better.
And tell us about stuff you want us to make.
Yeah, like stuff, custom things, sets you want us to review, anything. Show us some love.
We're limited on pieces, so.
We're not limited on pieces. Don't.
Yeah, we are limited on pieces. We don't have a lot of pieces as other people.
Well, we have a lot more pieces than kids do.
Than ordinary kids, whatever.
Yeah, ordinary kids. Even though we are kids, we have more than ordinary kids. So,
oh yeah, guess what? Watch. Yeah, you like that watch? Yeah, no, that watch is awesome. Everybody loves that watch. Anyway.
And I want to show. Where's the bag? Well, we'll show that in the next video.
Capri Sun on the floor. Oh my god.
Awesome.
That's pretty awesome.
And
hey, guess what? A big ours backyard. It's pretty amazing. I know. Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
And a DS.
Subscribe,
like.
If you want to be a banana.
Yeah, if you want to be a banana.
I
know it sounds weird.
Yeah, it does sound weird. So.
Yeah, but
just do whatever. Whatever you want. You can dislike, like, whatever. We don't care.
Spam up the comments with comments that you don't like this channel.
Crap.
There's this button made for that. It's called dislike. You should try it out. It's a new invention.
Don't be hating.
Yeah, don't be hating.
Don't be putting like bad comments.
Potatoes gonna potato, yo. And we'll see you in the next review. And let me give
subscribe.
You a heads up. Let me give you a heads up on the next video. Do not show
This is gonna be a first set. It's pretty small. I know it sucks.
But it's pretty cool.
We're gonna do a small glimpse of it. Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. That's the only glimpse. Alright, subscribe and stuff. Just leave comments, see stuff you wanted us to make for custom stuff. And
send us pictures.
And subscribe. Peace out.